Yes. What's going on, NEM crew? Welcome back to another video. I'm super excited today because today is day one of the Datsun build 2.0. Woo! This is behind the scenes. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, it's day one of the Datsun build, and this video is going to be coming out to you guys in a couple days from now. We're starting the actual work pretty early, just because I actually found out I'm not going to be able to work on the Datsun throughout the winter. So it's getting colder, we're doing the work now, and this is kind of a teaser video because the build video that we're doing today, or leading up to when it'll be done, those won't be coming out for a little bit. So we got some stuff to take care of. There'll be some teaser shots in here of what to expect coming up in the next, I'm hoping it'll be, what, 3-4 weeks. You guys should see the first Datsun video. First big build video. Like I said, this is gonna be a little bit of a teaser for you guys. So camera gear's here, garage is completely organized because you know me, I'm psycho and I like having things organized. So we got to get a few things prepped because I got to make sure I have the tools that I need to get the work that I need to get done today. So it should be fun, and we'll take you guys along with us. I don't know how much content I'm going to get for this video that you guys are watching, but I'll see if I can throw in some little nuggets of Datsun goodness. So let's do it. I'm pumped. I'm so pumped. This is amazing. All right guys, the first thing I gotta do today before we start the work is figure out, I've been going through the manual. Let me give you some backstory. I've been going through the manual. I got all the torque specs that we're gonna need for the next couple days in this book. Took some pictures of the manual on my phone, so I have pretty much everything. Now there's some torque specs that are really low, like 9 to 10 foot-pounds. Fortunately, the torque wrench I have starts at 25. There is quite a bit of specs or stuff that we'll have to torque that is within the range of our torque wrench here. So like I said, I've done all that research. I got all of the stuff that needs to get done every single day. Keep it on track. We're gonna see how far we can get. But the first thing we need to do is figure out if we can make our own probes, if you will, off of the battery. We need to release the pressure in the fuel system, and I wrote down the actual steps or the procedure in the actual owner's service manual. So I actually will put a link of the service manual in the description. It's for 77, car's a 78. Most of the stuff is interchangeable, so you should be able to find at least some stuff in there if you're looking for torque specs, types of fluid, procedures for doing things. So we're gonna see if we can actually use the procedures in the service manual to discharge any pressure that's in the fuel system, because we have to take a bunch of stuff off. You'll see when the video comes out, but we need to do some work to get this stuff ready to go. Now this is the old school toolbox. My grandfather's stuff in here, so if there's gonna be any bush league things in here to help us out, this is where we're gonna find it. I don't want to do anything too sketchy, blow things up, but ultimately a power probe, if you guys know what that is, power probe would be amazing right now. I don't think we're going to have anything. What the heck? I don't think this will work. I don't want to blow things up. Yeah, we're not going to use that. I'm just going to keep looking here, see if I can find anything. If not, I'll probably have to make something. We'll see. Alright guys, I got a few things I can use, so this is perfect. Most likely gonna need an extra pair of hands, but that's okay. I got someone coming to help, which is perfect. So with this out of the way, the reason why I'm filming this area here, we actually have all of the parts for the Datsun here. There's a few things missing. Most of them are here though. We're waiting on tires. We're waiting on wheel studs. So we should be good to go. Everything is, like I said, everything is officially ordered and the majority of the parts are here. We got wheels, brake parts here, some other fun suspension components up here. So this is enough to start the actual build, and then we'll take it from there. And the rest of the parts should be here within a week. So there's no rush, and there's no worry that the parts are not going to be here. So we can actually start. And you probably noticed the Datsun is actually on the other side of the garage. Volvo's gone. If you guys follow the channel, Volvo's gone. It's not gone for good. It's just not in the garage. And this is going to be the resting place for the Datsun for the winter and for when we do the work on it. What else? Oh! So another thing I wanted to mention quickly before we actually dive into the work here, in regards to the YouTube channel and communicating with you guys, I've actually been, well, I posted a poll on the YouTube channel under the community section regarding what size tire you guys think I should get for the Datsun. I voiced my concerns and kind of the goal that I'm looking to achieve with the car. And that being said, based on your results, I actually ordered the tires that you guys recommended, or the size that you guys recommended. I gave 2 options, and I went with what you guys said. And I'm probably going to be doing more things like that, just to kind of have a way to have you guys, the viewers, influence the builds a little bit more. So keep an eye on for that, and going forward, make sure you put the little bell on for notifications, because like I said, a couple weeks, these videos are going to start rolling, and they're going to be rolling in quick. So having that bell will make sure you guys don't miss a video. Stay right up to where we are, and I'm looking to put a lot of effort in these videos, so hopefully they're good. I mean, we'll see. Alright, so we're gonna start the work, see how much more I add to this video, but let's get right in to it. No, I'm not gonna do that. That's gonna hurt. That's gonna hurt. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, I've been working on the car all day. I know I'm working on the car all day. So I haven't really showed you guys much in this video. That's kind of how I figured it would end up being. But what I do want to show you really quick is the state of the car right now after about 7 or 8 hours of working. Let's take a look. So this is the engine bay. It's getting pretty empty on this side here. Obviously the hood is off. And if you look into the wheel wells, that's it. Nothing there. Pretty empty, pretty bare. Big things coming. It's awesome. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tell you that the only thing that is going back on the car once the build is done that we've taken off today is the intake. That's the only thing that was on the car before that's gonna be going back on so far that we've taken off. So it's gonna be a lot of new parts, a lot of fresh things, and I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be pretty dope. But that's it for this video. I don't know how long it ended up being. I don't know how much content I got for you guys, but I'm super pumped. I don't know if it is showing as much as it was earlier in the video because I've been working for so long. It's getting late, but we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay classy, crew.